Because I remember when I first came back, because she not only said this in court, she also has been saying it to her friends. Every minute her story has been changing. She came back and she never paid no bills. She ain't helped do nothing. All she does is leech off me and saying all types of stuff that are not true. She said at one point that if it wasn't for me, the narcissist, you wouldn't eat. I was so offended because that's a lie. And you know me, I was not in the shouting competition, so people aren't gonna hear my voice saying, oh, she did it and she said this. So unless they be coming to me, they wouldn't know the details. They would be mostly repeating what they heard the narcissist saying, because the narcissist's voice is loud. So when I first came back, she was having some financial difficulty. Mother, I think things was slow with her. They did not have no money to pay the rent. I was working online at that time because when I came back, I had a job. I had things going for me. Yes, I was not in the best place, like relationship wise, but I came over there with a job. I was getting paid. I was getting paid good money to the point where they said, could you give us some money to pay the rent? I'm just coming back there. I've not been living there for 5 years. They were owing, I think, 2 months rent or something. They asked me for $300. I'm like, okay. I checked my PayPal. I sent them $300 and they sort out the bills. Okay? I'm just coming back. This girl has been going around smearing my name, telling people in her smear campaigns, which is one of the reasons why I looked at the police officer before I went to court and told the police officer, I want to sue this girl for defamation of character. How do I go about doing that? Because I have clear, good enough amounts of reasons to believe that what she is doing is definitely in that lawsuit region. So, she overheard. I was talking to the officer. I was seeking advice on that. I guess she felt some type of way, and a couple of months after that, or I think a month after that, she made her first complaint. Anyways, this officer was there that day because she locked me out of the bathroom. She locked me out from using the bathroom because she said that I didn't want to clean it. My mother called me the day and said, clean the bathroom. The same day that my mother told me to clean the bathroom, I didn't get it done. She came home that same day and cleaned the bathroom and then locked it. And then told everybody that I was not cleaning the bathroom because the same day when my mom called and said, she's saying that you need to clean the bathroom, I didn't run to go do it. So she took some pictures and she was posting up online, oh, she won't clean the bathroom. I was like, but this is silly because you're the one mostly there, so won't it make you look, I don't know, silly doing this and telling people that the bathroom ain't clean, Anyways, I'm jumping the gun, so let me go back to why the officer was called and hopefully get into what happened at court. So we have been having some issues a couple of years in, like maybe 2.5 years into me coming back. We have been having a little issues. She had been doing her talking. I was hearing people saying some stuff, but it didn't make sense what they were saying, to say, this girl is saying mean stuff about me, based on what they were saying and how their vibes and how they were operating. But I got a subtle feeling of, why would that person say that? And that remark sounds like it was something personal, like disrespectful even. Some stuff that people like who is saying those things should not know, because I don't have any friends. I stay home. I'm not going around telling people my business. And if I do mention it to 1 and 2%, I know who I'm saying these things to, because I don't have no friends. So if I go to those people who I've mentioned it and they're like, yeah, I wouldn't do that, and I really see that they're not talking, then obviously it's those that are around me are spreading rumors and gossip, obviously. So I just didn't say nothing. Over a period of time, I'm still hearing stuff. People still acting away towards me. And I noticed even the vibes from a good time in how she had started to allow my niece to kind of operate a way around me. Like, she started passing me and not saying evening, and she behaved a certain way at certain times, but I just didn't say anything about it. Anyways, that continued and continued. Sometimes she used to invite me out with her friends, the narcissist, and she said one day, oh no, you can't go out with my friends and you, no, 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 something like that. And she said some remark, I'm like, my friends can't go out with you, blah blah blah. I'm like, but you've asked me out with your friends like more than one different occasion. Why all of a sudden now your friends can't be seen with me? So I took it from that point that, okay, she is separating herself. Okay, I let her do her, right? I'm not chasing anyone. At this time, I think I must have started posting videos on TikTok. That was in the early phase when I started posting. So I wasn't really going out with her much either, and it didn't bother me. I was doing courses. I was focusing and investing into myself in different ways. So she was going out, I was staying home. I was doing investing stuff. I was doing a whole lot of stuff, courses online, building stuff for myself, changing my mindset. So that didn't bother me. What did bother me was disrespect started to increase again, all types of abuse, right? It even ended up into physical assault, all types of name calling, and I'm like, this kind of reminds me of her behavior when we were younger. It reminds me so much. Why does this demon look so familiar? It's like this demon popped back up again. This demon. So stay tuned for the other part.